How much should you actually spend on Kitchenaid attachments? Because you've got $25 accessories flying off the shelves and $100 ones gathering dust. People are buying cheap replacements but returning fancy upgrades. It's a bit interesting, and today we're cutting through the noise to find what's actually worth your money. Product number 1, Meat Juice 3-Piece Mixer Attachment Set. First up, the Meat Juice 3-Piece Attachment Set for Tilthead Kitchenaid Mixers. At just $25.35, this is one of the most affordable complete replacement sets out there. It includes a wire whip, dough hook, and flat beater with scraper, basically everything you'd get with a new mixer, but at a fraction of the cost. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If your original attachments are worn, rusted, or missing, this set brings your mixer back to full functionality without breaking the bank. The stainless steel whip aerates egg whites perfectly, the dough hook handles thick bread dough without straining the motor, and the coated flat beater mixes batters evenly while scraping the sides, something many OEM paddles fail at. It's compatible with popular models like the K45SS, KSM95, and KSM150PS, and even replaces several OEM part numbers. Over 1,000 people bought this last month, which tells you it's filling a real need. Now some people might worry about non-OEM quality, and honestly, that's fair. The aluminum core on the dough hook isn't as heavy-duty as Kitchenaid's original, and long-term durability could be a question. This is perfect for you if you've lost or damaged your original attachments and just need reliable replacements fast. Skip this one if you're a serious baker grinding dough daily. You might want the real deal. But for the price, solid value. Product number 2, Kafun Meat Grinder and Slicer Shredder Set. Now, if the basic set felt too simple, this next one is a beast. The Kafun Meat Grinder and Slicer Shredder Attachment Combo, priced at $101.46. This isn't just one tool, it's 2 full attachments in one package, turning your Kitchenaid into a meat processing powerhouse. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Imagine grinding your own beef for burgers, making sausage from scratch, or shredding blocks of cheese for pizza night, all without buying separate appliances. The grinder comes with 4 grinding plates, 3 sausage stuffer tubes, and even a cleaning brush. The slicer shredder includes 3 stainless steel drum blades for slicing, coarse shredding, and fine shredding. It handles everything from zucchini to hard cheeses, and it's compatible with both Kitchenaid and select Cuisinart mixers. Over 600 people bought this last month, likely home cooks tired of store-bought processed meats. Now the big downside, only the slicer blades are top-rack dishwasher safe. Everything else needs hand washing with warm water under 122 degrees F, which is annoying if you're used to tossing things in the dishwasher. This is perfect for you if you love DIY charcuterie, homemade sausages, or farm-to-table cooking. Skip this one if you barely cook meat or hate hand-washing parts. But if you're serious about kitchen versatility, this justifies its price. Product number 3, Guan Kaio 5-Blade Slicer Shredder. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for everyday prep. The Guan Kaio 5-Blade Slicer Shredder at $38.04. This is a standalone shredder attachment, but it packs serious value with 5 detachable stainless steel blades. The 5 blades include slicing, wave cut, coarse shred, fine shred, and a cutting cone for nuts or hard cheeses. The 304 stainless steel blades are rust-free and detachable, making cleaning way easier than older models with fixed blades. The BPA-free plastic housing is lightweight but durable, and the 4.33-inch food spout lets you drop in whole carrots or potatoes. It's dishwasher safe, a huge win, and over 600 people bought it last month, likely for its balance of price and performance. Now the flaw, the plastic housing, while sturdy, can crack if dropped on a hard floor, something a few buyers mentioned. And it's not as heavy-duty as all-metal versions. This is perfect for you if you make salads, coleslaw, or shredded cheese regularly and want speed without a food processor. Skip this one if you need industrial-level durability, but for most home kitchens, this is a steal. Product number 4, KINGAGLE Large Stainless Steel Slicer. Now, if Guancayo's plastic build worried you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Kingagle large stainless steel slicer at $59.60. This is built like a tank, with full stainless steel cutting cones and a mirror-polished finish. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 16 feeding tube and 81 wide blades let you process large blocks of cheese or whole vegetables in seconds, 10 times faster than hand grating, according to the brand. The thick stainless steel cones won't bend or warp, even with hard cheeses or frozen foods. It's top-rack dishwasher safe, and the ergonomic food pusher has a pot lid knob so your fingers don't get sore. Over 400 people bought this last month, likely drawn to its durability and efficiency. Now the downside, it's heavier and takes up more space than plastic versions, and at nearly $60 it's a bigger investment. This is perfect for you if you shred cheese weekly, make large batches of salad, or want something that lasts years. Skip this one if you only cook occasionally or have limited storage. But if you value longevity and performance, this is worth every penny. Product number 5, Kitchenaid OEM Wire Whip. Finally, let's talk about the Kitchenaid K45WW Wire Whip, the only OEM part on this list. There's no price listed, but it typically runs around $30-40. This is the real deal, straight from Kitchenaid. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're whipping egg whites, heavy cream, or meringues, you need maximum aeration, and this stainless steel whip delivers. It's designed to trap air efficiently, giving you stiff peaks faster than cheaper knockoffs. It fits tilt-head models like the KSM90, KSM15, and K45 and comes with a 1-year warranty. Over 1,000 people bought it last month, proving that sometimes OEM still wins. Now the flaw, it's hand wash only, and at full retail price it's more expensive than third-party options. And if you lose it, replacing it isn't cheap. This is perfect for you if you're a serious baker who demands precision and reliability. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or just need a backup. But for performance and peace of mind, you can't beat the original. So which one's right for you? The meat juice set if you need affordable replacements. The Ka-Fun combo if you're into meat and cheese processing. The Guancayo for everyday shredding on a budget. The Kingagle if you want durability and speed. And the Kitchenaid OEM whip if you won't compromise on quality. Each solves a different problem, so pick the one that matches your kitchen style.